In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to change cape in Minecraft Pocket Edition. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to change your character, modify your skin, but most importantly, how to change your cape. So all that you have to do is open any version of Minecraft Pocket Edition, also known as Minecraft Bedrock, and you need to be signed in properly with a Microsoft account. To my knowledge, the capes are going to be assigned to your account, but this might be different. So if you are still signed out, you can still try this process and see if you can access capes. So all that you have to do is access the dressing room and then choose from any of these presets here. I'm going to choose this character and I'm going to choose the option to edit this character. So tap on it or edit character at the bottom. And now at the left, you will have plenty of options. So you will have stuff like the character creator, you will be able to see classic skins, emotes, and if you go over to this last category here, you will find the owned capes that you have. Like I mentioned, to my knowledge, capes are going to be distributed according to Microsoft accounts. So if you want to use a cape, you must be signed into a Microsoft account that has a specific cape that you would like to use. But like I mentioned multiple times, I'm not sure if this is the case for everyone, so maybe if you are not signed in, you will still be able to access some capes. So just try this method and see if you can access a cape. I currently only have this pen cape, which I assume most players have as well. It was probably distributed at some point, but if you have exclusive capes, they will appear right here besides this one. So all that you have to do now is go ahead, join any world or join any server, and you will be able to showcase your cape. Other players will be able to see them as well, and if they have capes enabled, you will be able to notice it behind their players. So just go ahead, join a world, and usually if you are on single player, you will have to be in third person to actually see the cape. But regardless, it is going to be there attributed to your character, and you can create multiple skins, multiple characters that have the cape equipped. You can switch between them freely, and then switch between capes. If you ever want to unequip the cape, you will be able to do it by going over to the character creator and also changing it there. I hope I was able to help you on how to change cape in Minecraft Pocket Edition. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.